Assalamu alaikum. Here's the construction update for this week. Alhamdulillah, carpenters completed all the metal soffit framing and had a drywall crew here to install most of the drywall. They will be back again on Monday with another crew to continue working on the soffit drywall at the ceilings. The plumbers completed the vent piping through the roof and a lot of the above ceiling piping. The HVAC contractors are continuing to work on the ductwork, and we are expecting to have the units installed very soon. The electricians have a lot of wiring completed and are working on above ceiling wiring so we can get our above ceiling inspection and close up. We are going to get an above ceiling inspection on Wednesday so we can close up the ceiling. The front EIFS will be done by the 24th so concrete pouring can start on curbs, sidewalks. Low voltage contractors are about complete with all their wiring except for a few cameras. Please continue donating as much as you can and support the project. Jazakallah khair for your support.